What we're going to do now is look at a acid attack first aid kit. Now this one here is one that we sell. There's a few that we sell, but this is one of the brands that we do sell. The advantage of this kit, it's a backpack, so you've got straps on there, you can easily carry it. It's got candles at the top, so you can put this on a hook if you need to leave it somewhere, or if it's going in a vehicle. But also with this kit, there's plenty of spare room on it. So this has eye wash solutions and saline in there, but the key thing with acid is water. So you've got more room, and you can just buy water locally, so you can use this little section on the end, put another water bottle in here, and there's room inside for other first aid equipment and also more water should you need it. So first off, it's clear label on the front that it's a first aid kit, so you've got all the things. This is actually held on with Velcro, so if you've got your own sign, you want to make it slightly different, you want to put this acid attack, you can actually change that. You just peel that one off and put another one on with Velcro. In the front pocket, first off, all we've got in here is some spare saline solution. These have got the eye cap on the top as well, so it's very easy to wash someone's eye out. You literally need to flush that out, but you can also use them for just the solution in there if you need to wash it off skin. So in the front, there's 2 of those in there, but you can get more water in there should you need it. Moving on to the inside, this kit will open right up. So you literally just open it right up and everything's there where you need it. So looking through the items in here, at the top you've got some goggles. If there is acid floating about, it's a good idea to protect yourself, because it's really important that you don't get this acid on yourself, because if it's burning a patient, then it's going to burn you as well. So pop the goggles on yourself, and then that will keep you safe. There's also in here some gloves. These are special gloves, gauntlet type gloves, because you again don't want to get it on your hands. So your hands are protected and also your eyes are protected. In the top here, there is some more of these irrigation solutions, which are for eyes or also for anywhere on the skin. And there's also lots of other room in here should you need to. There's not other sections, there's not a zip section in the top. And inside here, you've got some cling film, because if it's a burn, then you need to cover the burn. And the same way as with a thermal burn, once you've irrigated the solution, washed it off with as much water as possible, then you need to put the cling film on in layers and then hold that in place. So the cling film is in the top section. There's also a roll-out kit in the middle, so this just rolls out. In here, you've got a mask, because not only you need to protect your eyes, also your hands, but also you don't want to breathe in any acid or any acid vapors or get it around your mouth if it's in the environment. A couple of dressings here as well. So once you've put the cling film on, these dressings can hold the cling film in place. In this section in the middle here, there are some steri pods. These are just small pods that, if you need to squirt water towards someone or smaller areas, they're very, very useful. This kit comes with 2, but you can always get more of those. Also in there is some litmus paper, so you can actually do some tests to see what is acid and what is not acid. And on the inside, you'll see the actual chart there as well. So you can look at it. So if you're not sure if something's water or something is acid, you can put that onto the skin and actually see what color it is. And whatever color it ties up to on here, you'll see whether it's extremely acid, but also extreme alkalines. With these kits and with acid attack, we call it acid attack, but it may well be a very, very strong alkaline solution. So the papers will be able to check that for you as well. Final thing is in this middle section here is a little first aid guide. Some scissors to cut away any clothing, because if you've got acid on the clothing, then it's going to carry on burning, so try and remove that. But just be cautious if the clothing is actually burnt into the skin. You obviously don't want to be pulling that off, you're going to have to just cut around it. And then finally here is a biohazard bag to actually put any of the stuff in. So put anything in there that you've taken off. So if there's bits of clothing with acid on, pop them in there. The key thing is you want to make sure that anything we remove, we then don't burn somebody with it, whether that be the casualty or yourself. So these kits, there's plenty of stuff in the kit. You can expand the kit more. You can put an extra first aid stuff in here if you want as well. It's very good, simple kit. And if you're in an area where there's a potential for acid attacks, then this is the sort of kit that you would need. We spoke a lot about acid attack, but this similar kit would work just the same if you're working at home and you're working with some chemicals, or in an industry side and you need kits there as well. We say acid attack, but this would also work very well in the industrial side as well.